There's a connection between us and the fact that if you shine a light into a box through a little hole, you trap the light in there, don't let it out, the box will start to weigh more. It will have more mass, even though the light that's trapped in it has no mass. It is just one of the things that happens on our physical plane. Many experiments have proven this. Now, the connection to us, when we die, we lose weight. We lose apparently 21 grams or so. We are like boxes of mass, and when you take the light away, we weigh less, okay? So, in physics has shown that we emit light. We can't see it, but we emit it. We also reflect the light around us too. I mean, that's why you can see the colors, somebody's red hair or something. But we emit light, and we're also warm. And when we die, we get cold. We return to room temperature. So what is the thing that causes us to emit light and to also be warm, which is one of the characteristics, say, of sunlight, when it hits something, it warms it. Okay. The scientists are saying it's the metabolic processes cause us to emit light. But realistically, if you were creating this great theater here on Earth and you were dreaming up human beings to have the experiences we have here, and we came from somewhere beyond, and we're just playing here to learn, you'd have you'd represent this through some kind of concrete process that causes human beings to emit light. And the scientists point to the metabolic processes, some of the things that keep us going, they cause us to emit light photons. Well, these explanations are kind of limited because they're just a concrete representation. They don't really explain the reason, the deeper reason. Yeah. But I think this helps us to see that maybe we're part of God. If just this fact that if you shine light in a box, the box weighs more. And when we die, we weigh less as our souls leave. And, people will point to that they can see something. It's almost subtle as a heat wave, really. It can make things behind it look blurry. But people staying in hospices or being with somebody as they're dying have said this many times, that they see something leave. It is our souls. Yeah. And of course, when our souls leave, then the light emissions stop, but we still reflect light. Our bodies will still have the color of our hair, but we're no longer bringing light here because we're not really here anymore, just our bodies left. Yeah. I think sometimes the truth of things is staring us in the face, and even the scientists can't see it. Can't see the truth of things because we're all so sort of blinded by the familiar. We go to sleep in the ordinary. Yeah. So hopefully this helps. And if you realize that you're a divine being in human form, maybe you'll treat yourself and others with more kindness, more compassion. I mean, we're more than we know. Yeah. Okay. Bless your hearts.